In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer anonymously on Quora. Even though Quora no longer lets you post truly anonymous answers from your main profile, there is still a practical workaround using a separate pseudonymous account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through setting that up step by step so you can ask and answer questions without tying them to your real identity. First, open your browser and go to the main Quora website. You should land on the page where you can either sign up or log in. If you're already logged in with your real account, it's a good idea to log out first or open a private browsing window so you don't accidentally post under the wrong profile. Because Quora removed the anonymous option, the safest approach is to create a new account that doesn't include your real name or any identifying details. This is what we mean by a pseudonymous account. It looks like a regular profile on the site, but it doesn't reveal who you are in real life. On the landing page, look for the option to sign up with email. You might also see options to continue with a social account, but for this method, choose the email option. Clicking sign up with email lets you control exactly what name and email address you use, which is important for staying separate from your main identity. You'll now see a form where you can enter your details. In the name field, type a pseudonym instead of your real name. This could be a made-up name, a pen name, or a simple alias. Just be sure it's something that doesn't include personal information, like your full real name, your workplace, or anything that could easily be traced back to you. Next, move to the email field and add a different email address from the one you use on your main Quora account. Ideally, this should be an email created specifically for this purpose. Keeping the email separate helps maintain a clear line between your public profile and your pseudonymous one. Once you've entered your pseudonym and alternate email, click on the button that says Next to continue. Quora may ask you to create a password, confirm your email, or follow a brief onboarding process. Just follow the prompts, keeping in mind that all details should align with your new pseudonymous identity. After you finish creating the account and confirming any verification emails, you're ready to use Quora with this new profile. From this point on, you can start asking questions, posting answers, and engaging with content without connecting those activities to your real name account. Whenever you want that extra layer of privacy, simply log in with this pseudonymous profile and participate from there.